Go.
Hello guys, and
Hello guys,
we're going to put my little brother in the back.
What's up, skunk butts?
And the bag's right here. And this is the smallest brother in the family. And hope you subscribe and comment us, and hope you like it. And this is going to be really cool. And Ray, Ray Magic is right beside you guys, and he made a lot of videos. And this is his coolest one, and he's a little baby dog.
And guys,
turn him around.
And guys, don't ever do the stunts at your home, friend's house, or in public restaurants or homes or apartments. Okay? Because it's dangerous and you can suffocate inside. Don't do this at home.
And this is my little brother, my little puppy brother, inside my bag. And do you want out?
Sorry.
Well, we're going to have to pick him up, though. We're going to have to pick him up first.
Ow.
Okay, ready, guys? Here, ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Now we're going to put him down. Well, I hope you guys love this video. And my friend told me,
What's up, skunk butt? Subscribe and comment. Yes, do what that's what he said.
bye,
So,
guys.
do it. And see ya. Bye.